Hello, super dreamers. Do you ever dream big, wonderful dreams? Like super duper, amazingly exciting big dreams for your future? Maybe you dream about building a super tall block castle or scoring the winning goal in your next soccer game. It's so much fun to imagine all the wonderful things you'll do. Our minds are truly magical places, aren't they? What if you had a super special plan for something really exciting, even before it truly happened in real life? You could imagine all the fun parts, step by step, until it felt so wonderfully real and truly exciting in your mind. Today, we meet a cheerful friend who had a big, big dream, all thanks to something very simple. Once upon a time, there was a cheerful girl named Lily. One sunny morning, she milked her happy cow. The pail was full of fresh white milk, so creamy and bright. It was quite heavy, but she was strong. Lily carefully placed the big pail right on top of her head. Slowly, she started walking to the bustling market. Swish, swish went her skirt as she walked along the dusty path. Clink, clink went the pail ever so softly. She thought, "This fresh milk is truly wonderful. I will sell it at the market for a really good price." With each gentle step, her imagination started to flutter and grow like a beautiful little butterfly in her mind. First, Lily thought, this fresh milk will make the best, thickest cream you ever did see. She smiled brightly. She pictured golden butter, shining like a happy ray of sunshine. Yum! Everyone would want her delicious butter. "I'll churn it myself, so carefully and with much love," she whispered, "and it will be the creamiest butter ever." She smiled, imagining people lining up, ready to buy her famous, delicious, and wonderfully fresh butter. This butter would be so good and so special, it would sell super fast. She felt so excited about it. The pail wobbled a little, but Lily was deep in her happy thoughts about all that wonderful golden cream. "With the money from my amazing creamy butter," Lily imagined, "I will buy many, many eggs. Not just a few eggs, but baskets full. Brown eggs, white eggs, big eggs, little eggs, all waiting to hatch." She pictured her basket overflowing with all sorts of eggs, waiting to hatch into fluffy little creatures. Cluck, cluck, she heard in her mind, like tiny chickens were already pecking happily inside their shells. Oh, what a smart plan! She was so clever, making such wonderful detailed plans for her future eggs. The pail jiggled again, but Lily just kept walking, smiling at her clever, thoughtful idea for tomorrow. Then all those precious eggs will hatch into strong, happy, fluffy little chickens. Lily giggled with joy. She saw them running happily in her yard, peep, peep, peeping and flapping their tiny, adorable wings. They would grow big and healthy, giving even more fresh eggs. Her farm would be bursting with life. Imagine all those happy chickens. So many. It would be like a fluffy, feathered, clucking white cloud. She imagined her farm becoming famous for having the best, most amazing, and healthiest chickens around the whole village. She felt so incredibly proud, just thinking about her wonderful future, full of clucking, happy, little chickens. "When my chickens grow big and I sell them," Lily thought, "I will have so much money." What a dream! She dreamed of buying a fancy new dress, one with lovely frills and ribbons, bright and truly beautiful. Maybe a pretty red one or a sunny yellow one. It would sparkle and shine in the bright sunlight. She would look so grand and elegant. Everyone would stop to admire her lovely brand new dress. She imagined twirling around gracefully, feeling like a princess in her wonderful, flowing new gown. Her dreams were getting bigger and bigger with every step, making her feel incredibly happy and excited. "And when I wear my beautiful new dress," Lily imagined, "I will go to the big market dance." All the handsome boys would surely ask her to dance, but she would just toss her head and say, No, thank you. She practiced in her mind a little humph and a gentle toss of her head, just so, to be extra elegant. She saw herself floating around, light as a feather, choosing only the best, most charming dance partners. Whoosh! Went her imagined dress as she spun and twirled. She felt so graceful and full of pure joy. She was so lost in her happy dance dream, she completely forgot all about the wobbly milk pail on her head. Lily practiced her head toss one more time, perhaps a little too energetically and with great gusto. Oh dear, the heavy pail of milk sitting on her head wobbled, then tipped, then splash. Oh no, it all spilled. All the fresh, white, creamy milk poured onto the dusty path. Oh no, it was truly all gone in a flash. No more milk, no cream, no butter, no eggs, no fluffy chickens, no money, and no beautiful new dress. Her big, wonderful, fantastic dreams. Poof. They disappeared like tiny bubbles vanishing in the bright sun. Lily sighed sadly. All her lovely dreams had depended on that one little pail of milk, which was now spilled. Poor Lily. Her amazing plans all splashed away. Why do you think that wonderful dream bubble popped? She had so many wonderful ideas for her future, didn't she? So many exciting things she wished for. But her dreams were all about things that hadn't happened yet, like chickens before they even hatched. She forgot about the very first step, carrying the precious milk safely all the way to the market. It's like planning a super fun birthday party before you even send out any invitations to your friends. We can sometimes get so excited about what ifs, we forget about what is happening right now. It's super fun to dream. Dreams help us imagine cool things and set amazing goals for ourselves. But our story reminds us to also pay careful attention to what we are doing and working on right now. If Lily had just focused on carrying the milk, her very first step would have been safe and sound. You have special strengths inside you, like focus and carefulness. These help your plans come true. Think about when you're building a tall tower of blocks. You need to place each block carefully, right? Each little step you take today helps make your bigger, amazing dreams come true later on tomorrow. Your inner strength helps you be patient and work hard on the small things that truly matter. Every little bit of effort you put in now is like planting a tiny, magical seed in your garden. That seed will grow into a big, beautiful tree, full of all your wonderful, blossoming dreams. So, while it's fun to imagine the chickens, let's also take care of the precious eggs first. That means focusing on your homework or sharing your toys, or being kind to everyone you meet. These small actions are super important for building your happy future, step by amazing step. So, let's always remember Lily's story. It's wonderful and joyous to dream of future happy times. But it's even more wonderful to cherish and be careful with what you have and are doing today. Each moment is a special gift, full of little chances to do great and wonderful things right now. Be present, be happy, and keep taking those careful, confident steps on your amazing life journey. Your own carefulness and patience are like secret superpowers you carry with you every single day. Keep shining, little dreamers, and make your now as magical and bright as your later will be. As you reflect on what we shared today, notice how the insights are already settling within you, and know that the next time we meet, even deeper clarity of the topic will be waiting for you.